Welcome to your doom and my room. First up in my room is my Creature of the Black Lagoon poster. At the time, I didn't have poster putty, so it got duct taped to my front door. Window, my Japanese Castle in the Sky poster, my garbage can and my fan, Japanese Castle in the Sky poster, bed, chair, dresser, random knickknacks on top of the dresser, computer, plush swamp. So there's some of my knickknacks, my toys. I don't know why I have a wooden duck, but I do have a wooden duck now. Behold, the wooden duck. Giant Godzilla. That's where I keep all the Monster Hearts boxes. Random bullshit. Random video game bullshit. My Switch and Pro controllers. Random bullshit. Old video games, DS games, PS2, PS, Wii U, old PC games. Fan number 2. Desk lamp number 1. My Switch. That's my headphones. Computer. Monitor / TV. Random cables. That's my SSD card. Hand sanitizer. Compressed air number 1. Compressed air number 2. My dresser, where I keep all my clothes. Random knickknacks and toys, and my duct tape. Monster Hearts Godzilla 2014, 94, Zaku Gundam, Big Robot T-Rex, other knickknacks. This is my nightstand. More random figures. Transformers. This is just a box where I keep random figures that I don't want to display in. That is where I keep my shoes, my coat, my wallet. VHS collection. That is my VHS collection. This is a poster signed by Neil Adams. I thought it was cool, so I got that. Closet, that's where I keep Lucha Jack and the Yeti and my Poogelman cards right there. DVDs. My manga. More manga, comic books, more comic books. I need to do my laundry. Yeah, look, see? This entire thing's just filled with my comic books. And yet I have to have a box for my comic books. What does this say about me as a person? I don't know. Yeah, that's my room. Yeah. Oh yeah, also I have a Phil Lamar signed photograph of him with Hermes. I think that's cool. So yeah, room out of 10.